Want to take a break from Instagram? Here's how to deactivate your account in just a few clicks. Open Instagram in your browser and log in first. Now click 3 lines, Menu, More. Then go to Settings. Next, click on Account Center and click Manage Accounts from the left menu. On the right side, hit the Manage button. Now click on Deactivation or Deletion and select Deactivate Account and click Continue. Enter your password and click Continue. Done! Your Instagram account is now temporarily deactivated. Whenever you log in again, it will be active instantly. Follow for more quick and useful tech tips.